Good evening, my fellow citizens of Nigeria, Bologna, and Province. Today is another wonderful day again. My name is Oboso Ayipivo, and your brother. Today being on the 21st of June 2019. I will be addressing some issue today that is very, very important for us as a brother in this community to understand. Today, I will be revealing some secret problems that we are facing in this our community. In this video, I want it to be shared to reach wherever, most especially the authority that is guiding this community, the NUNAI and the embassy, so that from now the truth will begin to come out for everybody to know what is going on. The truth is that I have it as a topic, the secret of fighting, or the secret of Kate, Sister Kate, fighting Samson, Mr. Samson, the Nuna, and the embassy. The truth is this: before I begin to expose some facts about the situation, I want to address an impression. Why is it that it is Kate? Why is it that, or how can we believe that it is Mrs. Kate that is fighting it? That is an wrong impression regard to the body. It's not going to be possible for every member at the time we begin to say one thing at the same time. One must say it. It does not mean that the person is fighting the situation alone. It is never Kate fighting the embassy, my dear brothers and sisters. The truth is this. It is between the community and the Nuna and embassy. Let us learn how to manage our ways. Saying that Kate is fighting embassy and Nuna, it is not true. It's not fighting anybody, and it is not things of personal. That impression is very, very wrong. If you are one who support that, try to change your mind. Mrs. Kate is not fighting anybody. He only say the truth. He only express the mind of the community. And he say the truth. Are you supposed to say it? You know the truth about the community, supposed to say it. Now, I want everybody to be attentive and try to reason the truth of this matter. Kate is not fighting the community. Let me begin to show you the truth. He said that as authority over the community, Nuna and the embassy, they are supposed to say the right thing, to do the right thing. Now, if you say that the Kate, Sister Kate, is saying the wrong thing, then I will show you. If you find yourself guilty of that sister, you need to apologize. I believe everybody understands that the community is under Nuna and the embassy. Which is, if there is any misunderstanding or dispute in the community, either Nuna or the embassy, that is where we run to, that we believe to bring out the solution. Now I'm going to show you something. Talking about Samson, he does not have any personal problem with Samson. If you are not set to guide me, I don't have anything to say about you. You are set to guide, you are set to protect me. Now I am not be protected in your presence. I must question you. I show you the truth. The problem in Nigerian community Bologna is no other thing than one person. It is Roland Dekuba is the problem. Anything that is happening, it is Roland Dekuba. Now is begin having a branch that is decide to employ and move people alongside. I'm telling you, you that is supporting Roland, you are joking. It's not somebody you that support. Now, if Nuna said that what Sister Kate as a body, we, not the Sister Kate, the community of the Nigerian community in Bologna, what we say about Bologna and the embassy, it is wrong. I show you the truth. You are going to read this paper. This is one of the evidence. And this paper, you are going to read the formation on this paper. This paper was the invitation from the election Roland did that was cancelled by the embassy and by every authority. He never listened to the embassy, he never listened to the NEMA. He went ahead to organize inauguration. Now, where the case involved NEMA is what I want you to know now. If you can read, you read. Federal Republic, Embassy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Rome. National Union of Nigeria, Italy. That is known as. Then in collaboration with, what is that? Nigeria Community, Emilia Romagna, Bologna. You can see the progress. This is where Roland Pennsylvania took the constitution amendment, which is unacceptable to anybody, any organization. And he went ahead, begin to print and begin to use it as legal. Now, who are these people in this invitation? Listen, let me go read as you listen to me. On the inauguration of the new executive, Venu Sala Paradiso, via Bellaria, number 7, San Lazzaro di Savannah, Bologna, Saturday, 3rd of March, 2018. Time, 12 noon. Listen to me. You see, chief guest of honor. You can see it. Let me call them for you. Number 1, His Excellency Commodore Yusuf Joga Hitman, Nigeria Embassy, Rome. Listen, Her Excellency Elisabetta Guamini, Deputy Governor of Emilia Romagna, listed to Roland. Mr. Samson Rouge, National President. Susanna Zachariah, Commissioner for Welfare. Father of the Day, Bishop Innocent Edo, Grand Praetor. Miss Monsignor Daniel Camera. Now, Chief Host Roland Udokuba, outgoing President. Charles Oro, incoming President. PRO Attorney Agbarakwe, tested okay. Benjamin Prince Ojo. Now, Kate talk about Samson. And this paper was sent to everybody, every authority. Meaning Samson is aware. It was sent to Samson. Now, When Samson get this formation, what was the reaction of Samson? And what if he's not in support? Okay, what was the reaction? What Samson, as a leader, did to Roland? What Samson did? Now let's never talk about the advancing. The advancing name is there. Tell me what Samson did to this very information. What he did to Roland. And Samson is aware. It was Samson that came from Nuna and canceled this very inauguration from the embassy that they should not hold it, it's not correct. Now he leave Roland. What do you want us to do now? Case said that whatever Roland is doing, they are not caution Roland for it. Now it's not Nigeria community Bologna's approach is now. Different name is destroy this community. Nobody will have authority. Caution Roland for this. Now they are saying Sister Kate said the right thing. They said they want to kill her. They begin send people unknowing name to threaten Kate right now in the community. Okay, Mr. Samson urge. How can you now convince us in this very written that it is not your conscience? There is no discipline, there is no sanction or Roland that is under you. You see how Roland, if it is true that you are not concerned this, and Roland is just doing his own as authority. You see how Roland is bringing problem to the whole body. Embassy is there. The single call here, all of them they are there. Nobody asked Roland, what is the meaning of this? It's for you to come Bologna and tell us who wrong, who right. The very problem you leave it as Roland. Let me show you. This is what Roland is doing. You see this logo? This is our normal logo. This very one. Now this logo, this very one. Tell me which logo is this? What combination of logo is this? Is this Nigeria and Italian logo? No. A Roland is a very confusionist and is the problem of the community of Bologna, is the problem to Embassy, is the problem to Nuna. Roland is changing the community as he changed the name that is unacceptable. He changing the community, not even Nigeria community in Bologna. He's changing the community as a Biafra community in Bologna. This is Nigeria flag, and this is Biafra flag. Italian does not have black in their flag. Nigeria does not have black. This is Biafra and Nigeria. Mr. Samson, you see this. Have you ever asked as a leader? But right now, everybody, I say Kate is saying the wrong thing. I think you need to explain your concern concerning this paper. Your name is here as a concern. And Embassy name, I don't know what kind of study they go to, that the father and the son is now collaborating. Embassy collaborate with the community, Nigeria community in Bologna. What kind of collaboration is this? I still not understand. It's not collaborate with the Italian association. Then Embassy has said, we are the reason of the embassy here to set to guide us. I don't understand the kind of collaboration they have given to Roland. This is number one. It was to be held on the 3rd of March 2018. This is as the problem that are here on ground. Nobody talk about it. We believe Nuna, we believe Ebasi. Nobody sponsor Roland of all this impersonation. Who said it? They will remove it from platform. They will send people to be threatening them with unknown name. There is somebody called Malika in Nigeria community threatening anybody now. Let me tell you, Malika, it's like a joking what you did. You are going to come out. The reason you are going to come out because this is how you people destroy Nigeria. It's what you are trying to bring it here. You must come out. For you not to come out, the executive responsible on that platform that used to remove people, they will bring you out. The law will find you out. Now, this is what is happening. This is what Roland is doing. That the Kate shout that is not good. Everybody say Kate is making noise, is fighting Nuna. Is it not the conscience of Nuna? Has they not the same Nuna who come here to dissolve all many elections? Is it not the Nuna who started this peace talk? Begin to see. That is number one. I'll show you the second one. I want you to know, Mr. Samson, you are our leader. We are in democracy. We have this freedom of speech. You can see for yourself. If nobody is fighting you now, it is Roland. This is just few of what is going on. Look at the same thing that you caution. You see what is happening now? They are managed to place Nigeria here. What do you see here? The system is going to Biafra system. Then I call the Nuna right now. You have seen this. What was your judgment or what your sanction or what was your discipline on this particular thing as a leader? This is another one. You can see the photo now. That is our Excellency Ebansi, the ambassador. This is Roland. This is our Excellency General Buhari. This is Charles Oworo, and this is Mrs. Doris. And this is an independence celebration of what they say it should not exist. I want the embassy to know this is what is going on in Bologna. Now, the citizens of Bologna, how are they going to convince that it is not the embassy, it is not the Nuna that is supporting these people? We are now convince us. This is Roland. This is Roland Group, and this is what Roland is doing. Now, you as the authority, you are the people we are waiting for. And when you came here, we accept your judgment. And this is what they did. Now, your picture is there. We need the explanation of that. This is not your conscience with Roland. Now, if it is not your conscience, why Roland is still parabolating himself in the midst of these people? If this is not your conscience, this is what we see that begin to bring progress to us. When you come to us, we give every respect to listen to you, but something turn another side. That there is no caution. That even to convince the community in Bologna that you are not in support. Tell us, before you kill Kate, before you kill us, I have shown you our grievances right now. If you were in our shoe, you are going to tell us what you will do in this kind of condition. This is celebration, and he also invites, let me read it for you, the Independence Celebration to 27 October 2018, 12 Rond Tidon, Zonarelli, Benue, via Tonio Sacco, 14 Bologna. Special guest of honor, Ambassador Youssefou Jordan. The SNSC is supposed not to be mentioned on this. This is very, very wrong to us. I show this is just the few of it. Mr. Sansi, you are aware of this. You are aware of this. You are aware of this. And there is no sanction. There is no question about this with Roland. Now somebody speak, they say they want to crucify him. Where is our position? I want even the members of our community to see what is going on. When they hear they remove Kate from classroom because he speak the truth. Watch out. Watch out. You see what the Roland is doing? Now you not tell me when I said that we don't have problem, it is Roland that is our problem. After 7 years in administration, he don't know what to do. He begin to carry the community document, begin to do whatever he like. In the name of Ebansi and the name of Nuna, even as some of the cigar here that cannot even surface to deceive the community. Then when somebody speaks, they say is blasphemy Ebansi, is blasphemy Nuna. This is Nuna. He don't even say because the lady have a respect. Now tell us what is our hope. We just need the explanation. These are few of the evidence. And you also remember the day of Nuna election here in Bologna. Everything that have been said to Roland to do, they have not done anything. The problem of Mr. Samson is this. When you say you order Roland to behave himself, you don't verify. He continue. Roland invited you to the church for birthday ceremony. Even in your presence, election that you never support and that the others never support, they were announcing the very person as a president in your presence. After we speak, you will take us as your enemy. We that are speaking it out, we are your friends. Those that are monitoring you, that are not speaking against you, for you to even know, you don't know them. He paid us so much that our SNSC ambassador, innocent man to this very thing, that Roland begin to. This is what he's doing. What see now Roland supposed not to be in this midst of these people. This is what he do. He do it to ambassador. Think of about ordinary people that are here with him. You see how Roland deceiving and destroying a community. This is just the few of it. Yes, I play the music because my heart is well. The music makes me to feel easy with this thing. I don't want to insult anybody. What I hate is that when you know the right thing to do and you are trying to bend it, or you say somebody that is saying the right thing and you are conspire against that person, I hate it. I hate it. This is the problem of the community, not kids. It is the problem of the community, the truth of the community that was untold, that the ladies is saying that the people say they want to come destroy them. They begin saying anything, hiding their name to threaten Kate right now. You see, he say Ebasi is supporting what is not good. It is you that are supposed to repair this community, and you are the one killing this community. Now, this is the person. This is the name. These are the name from the Ebasi to the Enona that Roland depend on. That is our part. I call my brother, so-called the Katika Abiene committee. I call my brother. It's my brother, Mr. Peter. I call you, I ask that this thing is not for what somebody will take as a person. When you see somebody that is misbehaving on the platform, tell your executive. Don't just go and do on your own, so that you will not have problem that you are also under authority. That is what I said. Then I told him that I believe that Mr. Sam is the chairman of the caretaker committee, is the one that nominates you as the chairman of INEC committee. Peter, you say it's not Sam that nominated you. That you have called the executive. It is what they ask you to do. That is what you do. Then I said, are you sure that Sam asked you to remove this person? You say you are called. That is how you can cause. That is language you use. That is not even the Sam that nominates you. I was thinking that because on that very meeting I was there when they asked to nominate Edgar as a caretaker chairman. It was Charles that nominated you. Then you went further to tell me it is Bello that nominates you, which I surprised of. I still disagree. So I am not believe that it is Bello. Meaning, what I'm sensing, it is what is happening. That even some here, there is a different meeting. If that's what you believe. Now you are hearing some of my voice. Share this video to Nuna, to Ebasi. Let them call these people for question. Why are they impersonating the community? Why are they impersonating? Somebody has just threatened anybody in our platform right now. Nobody say about it. They're not removing it. Where are we? Mr. Sassy, you don't have problem with it. The only problem you have with it is this. You see something that is destroying the community and you leave it to be destroying them. And you are associating with it. If you are not associating with it, okay, it is not your conscience. What do you do about it? Do you prove Roland? Do you take Roland to court for this thing? If it is not your conscience, you can't deny this. We are not a baby. Deny it. Let us see it. It is written. These are the evidence. Anywhere we go, these are our problem with you. We are afraid to tell you anything. We are seeing you as a betrayer to us. Look at Roland makes you like this. What do you do to him? When you come here, you begin searching anybody out of this hall. I want to express my feeling to you one day. You order boys to take me out of the hall. Samson. Oh, yeah, myself, I respect any authority. Most especially when I find you on a very truthful side. That is the respect I give to my Excellency, the ambassador. Even not anything, the judgment or the pistol he came here to do regarding this our election that Roland still destroyed. So it is he said the election will not hold so that the community will not stand. He sees all the documents, and not bring documents. A letter was sent from embassy that both the sides should submit the document. One side submit their document. Me, I was thinking that when they were unable to submit the document that day, because the document Roland take from former President Ola, it was 2.5 luggage. All the minutes, everything, all the activity was there. The document is many. They give them 2.5 back. Roland. They were he was to submit the document. I was thinking the cost of taking cars to Roland has to bring the remaining, because by now after 7 years, 2.5 luggage may extend to maybe 5 or 6. That's what we are expecting. That Roland will give us problem that we must pay the taxi cost to bring the document. Roland photocopy rubbish to us. You are joking. He photocopy rubbish. He photocopy rubbish. Thinking that he want to bring more to taxi to park our development. Okay, not even the 2 bags they gave to Roland now. Photocopy. And you are telling us to do election. On what grounds? On what document? That is sealed? Please, if you are a Roland supporter, go and tell your chairman, Roland, to give us our property. Otherwise, because it was person that hand over road, Ola does not hold anything back. He don't buy pepper soup for many of you. I hope you can see through. Mr. Abi Malaka, what do you know about this community? That you sell somebody's talk. Tell me from this just a little. Tell me what you know about this community that you are hiding about to threaten anybody. And my brother, that person that had number, because I hear your information never too long ago that even anybody that have 2 lines, you are going to block them. What about the person that don't even have name, trace in this platform that you are controlling? You see where you are putting your leg. I told you the other day, I said, if these people, they are not supporting you, don't go and put yourself into trouble. The kind of ruling that you are ruling now, it's like we are not even in democracy at all. Mr. Peter, I hope you are seeing what I'm saying. I just call you, change my voice, you change my language. What I cannot tell her. That is why I hardly call somebody such a situation. I write, you go and read. Instead of you to be arguing, you go to classroom, you see what I said. You decide to change to liar and many things. What are you aiming at? What are you gaining? You want to fulfill Roland's mandate. You see, your leader. Now, these people, they are the ones that they say he should conduct the election. These are impersonate. Look at what they are doing. We are not Biafra. Nigeria is still one. Nobody is calling Roland to ask Roland. Look at it. Even the Cedar Call is staying here. No one in Roland support. This is the problem with Nigeria community. No, Sister Kate. It is our right that Sister Kate is expressing. Who will say this? Nobody. Many of you knows it. Please tell Roland to lead this community. As far as he refused to do what is right. Roland, we send Agbene, we send Aribijo Ehona for 7 good years. Nothing to show. You are still dragging these people from one place to the other. The last send Agbene Aribijo Ehona. Our patience is enough for you for 7 good years. Now you want to bring us there, you do 5 photocopy. Now, Mr. Charles, you are a very nice person. I know you. I know you. I know you. You're supposed to be a good man. But the ground that you stand is giving you wrong name. That's just the truth. It's giving you wrong name. You have a good mind for the community, but you are a bit tempered with the wrong hand. You are a bit tempered. Yes, evil cannot give birth to evil. For the fact that it is from the idea of Roland for you to come and you stand on that ground, my brother, it gets to be now. It just gets to be. It is from the idea of Roland. You see your associate. This is not good. You know, even if nothing, you don't benefit this community that me. If anybody is to make peace in this community, Mr. Cass, you're supposed to be number 1. Me that is talking to you now, I only stand for the community. I only take the Nigerian name to do what is good. I take Nigerian name to become a helper to all the immigrants that is coming 2015, 2016, early 17. I will buy books, I will buy barrel, I will go to teach, I will bring their information, I will mark it, I will verify them. In the name of Nigeria, nobody is paying me. I'm buying myself for my car every 3 times in a week for 1 year and 6 months. In the name of Nigeria. Many of them that is breaking their hair, so they will be calling me different that I don't have work. That is why I carry community for help. Now, you people are dragging the leadership with you. Of course, you don't know what to do. You cannot do anything. First of all, I go and work. Even Roland have never contributed 1 cent. That is why you destroy the community. All of the Peter, what do you contribute? You only come when they want to do election, you open your office. The money not complete for your hand. You eat all. This is what Roland did for good 7 years. No account of the community. Common document when they give them, he still lost them. He said we must do election. He pack people. He buy the person for them. So make the rush do it so that you are a liar. Or the 22nd complete our document. We don't have problem with you. Submit our document and let the election go on. We don't agree. We don't agree. We have children here. Many things to put in order. Look at some of our people document here. They say where community will affect. This Italian government, they are good. They are very good. I know them. I deal with them. They only need a rightful somebody. Are you not the president? What happened in Rosina already? You as a president, they begin driving here and there. That you should not enter into a place. Won't you be ashamed of yourself? is a little information I want everybody to be aware. Because when you hear we are talking, most of you that doesn't know anything about the community, now we just pick a phrase. They want to kill favor. They want to kill Sister Kate. You carry your leg, go back. It's destroy everywhere. He put Ambassador name, he supporting me. He put Samson name, supporting me. Okay, Samson, what you don't do for this one? He don't tell us say now you the supporter. Everything we they do. He said now you the supporter. And he see the information. We never hear one day say the what a Roland print concerning inauguration, concerning celebration, concerning the leadership that is not approved. And the name he put, this is what Nuna, this is sanction from the Nuna, and this is sanction from members. Not even question. Why do you do this? You know. Now, Kate speak now, they say he's causing Ebansi. He's not causing. These are the problem of Nigeria community in Bologna. Share this video. This is what we are facing. This is what Roland is doing with us that make us not to settle. Today, they ask you, don't do that. They ask you, that constitution, kill it. You're going to use another name to do end of the year, what they call it, anniversary Canada. They say no. None of these things will now take into consideration. But here, who said it? The people will say what he said is bad. It is here. Great Nigeria. Great. I just want everybody to know. If you have your question on this thing, because this is our grievances. It's not Kate fighting the embassy. It is what we are seeing in Bologna, what we are expressing. The name of something is here. Brother, you can see this one. You can see it. See something here? You see him? It's the Sansi Hodge, National President. Have you stopped? Have you stopped? Brother. Okay. If you are not in Roland support, you were the person who came to stop Roland from this thing. You stop it. You go ahead. As you stop it, you go ahead and start celebrating with the president. Look at. Now, you are going to tell us why all this thing is existing. Your name, look at. You use everybody name, everybody. This is evil to the community. And what is did right away, it is what is teaching the person that is bringing. That is why we are not going to accept such thing in this our community. There's nothing. There's nothing. This is arrogance. If Kate see action on this, I think she will also have something to say about Sansi. Yeah, this is what Sansi did to Roland. This is just a little. This is just a little. This is just a little. We don't want to go further for anything because we are not to make progress in this community. We are not to fight. The only thing I'm saying is that to every authority, Nona, Mr. Samson Hodge, you are a leader. Act as a leader. Embassy, we are begging. The problem of Nigeria community in Bologna is no other problem than Roland. If they cannot do anything, ask Roland to bring the document and leave the community. Instead of to destroy the community, put shame. This is shame. This is shame. There is no way what ambassador are not support. He take the picture, he take the other picture, Buhari, everybody, their name. Oh, this is what I think. This is wrong. It's very wrong. Please. my great Nigeria, most especially my great people, who are see, who begin to have any reason with Roland. I'm not hating Roland for anything. But one thing problem Roland have, for fail the constitution alone, you finish a tenure. You are unable to organize election. 7 good years. Only a fool, idiot, that can support Roland. Even if Roland is my father, he don't pass the boundary. I cannot support such. I cannot support. Why are we not just try to be on the right side? It is now I know. Even it is the Sister Kate, myself, that is even try to speak the voice, and many other good elders. This is the problem we are. We don't have any other problem. Nobody will ask Roland. But they will go there, they will send people, make fake name. And my brother, if you don't fish those people out for we to know that are threatening us in this community right away, we'll go to authority for this. But what had never happened, it begin to happen. You said that you are the one guiding the platform. Right now, there is problem on that platform. You cannot say you don't know this person. That is just the truth. I have never speak anything because you know my name. You remove me. I never speak anything. You know. I never speak anything. There is no way I will insult anybody. There is no insult. Even Sister Kate does not insult. If you call Sister Kate insult, explain this thing now. I mean, when I beg via somebody where you beat, you will tell the person may not cry. If you beat her, you let her cry. Mr. Samson, Kate does not hate you at all. You go know for yourself if you want to lead us as a go-leaders. That's just the truth. If you want to lead us as a good leader, you will know that what we are saying, it is the right thing. Our constitution does not support any leader that are unable to give account should continue with us in this community. It should not have any say. It should just be there. But until now, Roland begin to have precising limit on us. Even right now, the leader you appoint as a caretaker chairman, Roland and his group is still oppressing these people. Roland fights in the community, in the meeting every day. He insults the headers every day. The first meeting, Elder Joe, he caused that one. Till the old man, he begin to feel bad. How can a small pikin insult him? The second meeting, almost fight, he was with Mr. Carlitos, Edama. As if that was not enough, he collaborated with Sister Doris, and they thief the money from the executive, the our executive, and run away. It was the treasurer that run after them. Where are you take this money to? And Roland started hitting the mama. Say he want to go and take her children. You are in the seat. Meeting has not yet closed. You collect money. You don't give the treasurer. You take the money. Where are you taking the money to? Roland, run out time. All the environment came out to begin to watch Roland and with serious drama. I want everybody to know that lady Roland humiliates. Roland is going to explain. He owing us explanation for that. He can't escape that. He has do us enough. Right now, I listened to Mrs. Julie video. You say we should conduct election and let this election be clean, play, whatever they call it. Right now, not to think about others is the 33 people unverified. I have paid my due, paid my fees and buy my phone since 2015. 3 times now. This is what is happening. Then you are telling me not to talk. And you are hiding. You do not even know how the community is running. The responsibility in the community. You are threatening me. I don't get problem with you. The person that is responsible on that very our platform. By the time awareness it be on his head, it will bring the people out. Because we can't tolerate this rubbish anymore. I was trying to tell the people where they were argue about the payment of ID card. They resist me not to speak. Then I said, it is true what I want to speak. So now ask me to sit down and find me with €5 in the community. And Roland boy was cursing the elder that he doesn't know what he's doing. And Roland never find that person until date. There is evidence for that. I want Samson to hear and let the message sent to Emerson. It is high time we bring Roland for you people to know, because it's like the one we are saying before. There is nothing happen in it. Roland should be expelled before he pollutes all the whole youth. This is a bad leader. Election we owe. The only thing is going to be postponed to regulate what has wrong. Because Ambassador has made this thing. We are not going to continue. This election that is going to stay, it will hold. But they are going to give us a little time. Because if you want to build a house, you must clear before you start your everything. That's what we want to do. This one, they go to manipulate themselves, register themselves, so that they will do it and give it to them. See them. We will give it to them. It's not going to be like that. First and foremost, the community document will come out. Because even what we are paying now, we don't know the whole document. We are paying for you. Or maybe not here. Roland, you don't have to behave yourself very well. This is a little information I just want to pass today. My good people. I thank everyone, most especially those who see the interest of this community to stand. But those of you, Nigeria, that are at home, that see nothing is coming out from the community, what am I going to do there? You are the most enemy we have. That is just the truth. the one that are fighting each other in the community, we are still good than you who never see any interest to come to your own community. You are not coming out. Especially some of you that are hanging around Africa shop, this, that. There you do your community. Now you people, they decide what will happen. We will be in the meeting, then you will be